Come take a look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, SLT preferred equipment group, seats, front full-feature leather-appointed bucket, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3266 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, onyx black, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, cocoa dune, perforated leather-appointed front seat trim, audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen navigation with Intelli-Link, FM Series HD, trailer brake controller, integrated, seating, heated and cool ED perforated leather-appointed front bucket, engine, 5.3L EcoTech 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically control LED, steering column, manual tilt wheel and telescoping, SLT preferred package, SLT crew cab value package, tires, P275/55R20 all-terrain, black wall, driver alert package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.